Updating your billing information on N26 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current and accurate. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 mobile application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select Account. In the settings menu, find and select the account option. This section contains all the relevant information related to your billing and account details. Step 4. Update billing information. Within the Accounts section, look for the Billing Information or Payment Methods option. Tap on it to edit your existing billing details or add new payment methods. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to finalize your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date with N26. Regularly checking your account details helps avoid any payment issues in the future.